It's time to prime the oil and start it.
Let's do this.
Maybe Rock has destroyed something. Amazing design! You want to remove all pickup, so you have to remove the chain cover. Look, spaghetti. Oh, here we go. This is what I was talking about. Hello. Today we are working again on Subaru. Please, could you make less noise? We are working. If you don't remember this car, this is the brand new Subaru BRZ 2022. We were working on front end before we replaced the whole radiator support and everything. It still didn't went to body shop for anything else because we wanted to start it and we were waiting for parts a really long time. Stop making a noise, please. Svi's not able to hear me because of you. So we were waiting for parts for a really long time and finally Christmas came early. As you can see, the pile is quite big, but before we started to play with this stuff, I don't know what's inside. Oh, Japanese stuff. So press that subscribe button. Totwe, you subscribed? Of course. Also press like, comment, press that push notification button. So we will start to monetize the channel at some point and Rokas finally will get paid.
Yeah, finally. I could buy some more beer.
But it's not gonna happen soon. Rokas or Totwe, come over, take some stuff. Let's not drop this box because it's crazy expensive. These are headlights. This one I think is what we're gonna need and what we're gonna use. What else? I think you should grab this one.
Put one more.
No.
No? No need?
No, because other stuff is body parts. So we are going to use everything what is needed for engine right now. Whoa. Whoa. Huge boxes for the headlights. So what we are going to do right now, we need to remove the oil sump. Do you know why? Because Subaru did amazing job with the sealant of the oil sump and the excess sealant gets into the oil pickup. So we need to remove it and we have to clean it, otherwise oil gets restricted. And these engines already prone to fail because of some not very good design. We're still trying to understand and trying to follow the community, what's happening and is it possible to solve in any way. We didn't find anything yet except adding additional quarter of oil, so you have more oil and using thicker oil for the track days. But for the winter, we are going to use the regular 0W20. But for the summer, when this car gonna get some tracks or something, we definitely need to find what can be done in order to prevent engine from failing. Maybe we will find a way to solve it and we will be able to share it with the whole community, right? Let's begin. What we are going to do, we are going to remove the drain plug, release the oil. After that, we need to remove the exhaust, I guess. Yeah, because otherwise we won't be able to remove the oil pan. Let's take a look what we're gonna find inside the oil pan. It's not too bad. It's not too dark. I don't know if I want it. It doesn't smell too burnt. Someone just bought it and smashed it, wrecked it straight away. Do you find any metal shavings or something? No. Great. This is what we wanted, not to find any metal shavings. The oil filter was already broken off. That's why it was possible that we're gonna find something. Oh, look, something for you from United States.
So lovely.
Okay, let it drain. Meanwhile, we can talk about our Porsche. What we are going to do and what's happening right now with Cayenne. You can see that it's not over here. It's outside because the coolant pipe, the plastic coolant pipe, we don't have that footage. This is why we wrote that something went wrong. The first generation of Cayennes had that plastic coolant pipes, and one of the coolant pipe just broke, and all the coolant went out. So Rokas had some great time, 2 great days.
My hand still hurt, my fingers very.
He was trying to remove them. It was so corroded.
It's pain in the ass.
Yeah, it was pain in the ass. Right now we are waiting to get it. We already ordered the aluminum ones, updated, and maybe we will share that with you guys. What do you think?
Maybe. We will see.
So, if you have the first generation Cayenne, and if it's 2006, 2005, the production year was that, so you definitely need to check the coolant pipes. It's possible that they are plastic, and we are behind the intake manifold, so it's real pain in the ass to remove. Why are you working so slow?
I don't know. For me, it's too fast.
So you are fast and furious?
Fast and furious. Fat and furious.
Fast and furious, yeah.
Fat. Here is fat.
Fantastic. Look what you are never gonna get, the freedom.
Going for a walk?
You are never gonna get this freedom. You're stuck here forever.
Run. Everything work. And then like,
Look at that baby face.
very good. Something is missing now.
But you know, this is my keto diet. Yeah, I'm on keto diet. Just eating meat. No more pizzas for me.
No more?
How is going on?
Not bad. Enough. Here we go again.
I was just too good to buy beer that we always have in the workshop. I was like, oh, I have to buy some beer for the guys. At the end of the day, we can grab some and etc. Look,
It's gonna take a while, so.
you're feeling like all days making sculptures, wood sculptures. During the school days, Tautvydas was making the sculptures of wood. He was hammering all the time, playing around. He's good at that because he has lots of practice.
Like you in eating.
Tautvyda? I love 3 days. Today is a holiday, so I can drink.
For me, every day is holiday.
Yeah. Amazing design. You want to remove all pickup, so you have to remove the chain cover. Great success. We went too hard with the sealant, for sure. Look how much is inside. I was eating. Shit. I have to continue on my diet. Look, spaghetti. Spaghetti. What I wanted to mention once again is that we are going to remove oil pickup tube because the sealant or RTV gets into it, and you can see over here that there was a lot of it, and Rokas found some spaghetti, so we went too hard with it, and we definitely need to clean up over here. We want to remove the pickup to clean up the mesh because there's like a filter inside that prevents it from getting to the engine. And in order to do that, we have to remove the chain cover. Great design, very much. Amazing. Look at that baby face. He is so impressed with this design. Right now, we are going to get the car a little bit lower in order to remove everything around, to remove the chain cover. And we have a new chain cover over there.
The director come to work to lose belly fat. Who already that?
Fuck off.
I'm on keto diet.
Rokas, please go fuck yourself.
Okay, sorry.
I'm going to say the same about the salary. Okay, sorry. Don't have it yet.
I I eat your salary.
I ate your salary, sorry.
Oh, it's why it's a good one.
Sorry. Mother trucker. So in order to remove pickup tube, you have to remove the chain cover, as you can see, what we did over here. Oh, it's so stupid design. Look, I see one interesting thing, guys. Remember we said that the oil gets trapped when it turns to the right? Oil gets to this side, right? Yeah. And look, this side is more deeper than this side. So it's possible that oil gets over here, and it's not possible to trap it over here because it's not so deep. You can see how much oil can fit here, and here is completely flush.
But the cover is deeper.
Yeah, but look at but look at this part. It still can drip down a little bit. And here's 90 degrees, yeah. So it's easier for it to flow. Interesting. It's possible that no baffle plate can help because it's just not able to return. It's not getting into this place. Yeah. It's not able to return because it seems like that. We need to talk with your dad for sure. Because Totve's dad is old-timer engine guy. And he saw multiple engine designs, so we need to talk with him, and maybe he will have some ideas. But from what I see, it seems that it traps the oil, because look over here, it's like no way to return, I guess. This one is pickup, so the only way up is we are here, then it goes to the cover, and here is maybe some kind of regulator, and then it goes to this part, to this little O-ring, and maybe the pumps it somehow into it. I'm not really impressed with the design, let's be honest. We went nuts for sealant, just the amount of it, we really went nuts. It's strange how Japanese car was built that way and in such quality. When we are talking about the engine, it's all over. The thing is that most of the BRZs have that problem that the sealant gets trapped into this pickup tube. So let's take a look if we have something. It seems that we have something, so... Oh, here we go. This is what I was talking about, and it blocks oil pickup.
I think that's all. But the net is very small, so this piece almost blocks not half, but part of it.
If you have BRZ or GR86, you definitely have to remove the oil sump. You won't be able to remove the pickup line because you have to remove the chain cover. I'm really not impressed about the stuff, what we did. We had to calibrate their sealant machines and sealant robots better, not to overdose it, because sealant was everywhere. You can see Rocco is still having fun to remove it. So this is the right amount that you should use on the chain cover, and this is more than enough, and you should never use the amount like that, which was there, or at the oil pan. So yeah.
Oh. Boy or a girl?
I am on diet, keto diet. Which is also keto, so it's good. We will talk at the next summer.
So you do in summer?
Having fun, yeah? We will talk about salary later. I will ask you about, is it boy or a girl? Mother trucker.
Good job.
It's time to prime the oil and start it.
Let's do this.
Maybe Rokas destroyed something.
Your baby will get in the way.
We will talk later about your salary. We will see how you're gonna talk then. Funny boy. It has that the mode of flood mode or something when you press the accelerator pedal completely and the clutch, so it primes the engine without starting it. So now we can try to start. So far sounds good, but guys have to check if there are no leaks or anything. We won't be able to get it to operating temperature because we don't have any radiator right now yet, but at least engine sounds good. Maybe some smells, but that's normal because the oil was all over the engine and there was tons of plastic around, so it definitely going to burn out, especially the oil that spilled around the engine. It's gonna take some time because we were trying to clean it as best as we can. Everything good? Yeah. So now we will be able to focus on finishing the car, the front end of the car, and in order not to miss that, don't forget to subscribe, so you will see the complete build of this project. Smokes a bit, yeah, because oil is everywhere. So I think that's it.
It's enough.
Because you have to clean up everything, so yeah.
I have to go home.
Yeah, it's long evening waiting for you, so don't forget to subscribe, yeah?
Yeah, don't forget to crank the beer and leave a comment.
Thank you guys once more, and see you next time. Bye.